HIMS is under intense scrutiny following a sharp sell-off triggered by its decision to discontinue its oral weight loss pill amid mounting regulatory warnings and rising competition pressure from Novo Nordisk. The move marks a significant pivot in the company's GLP-1 strategy. After aggressively entering the compounded weight loss space, the company now appears to be recalibrating amid increased oversight and shifting supply dynamics. However, just as sentiment hit extreme lows, the company announced a major strategic shift, a definitive agreement to acquire international digital health provider Eucalyptus for up to $1.15 billion in cash and deferred and earnout considerations. The acquisition aims to accelerate the company's expansion into Australia, Japan, the UK, Germany, and Canada, significantly broadening its international footprint. HIMS is also heavily shorted up to 37%. So this is Thursday, the 19th of February, 2026. Okay, the stock is up a modest 3.54%. Okay, so far 2.3 million shares have crossed the tape. The market is opening in roughly 38 minutes. Okay, let's see what we have on. Okay, so the stock has been showing a lot of weakness within a longer term bearish trend. Its 200-day moving average, which underscores its underlying trend, is sloping bearishly lower. So the stock, as I showed you earlier, is up 3%, and the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that it might get a bounce. Let's see. Let's just be sure that is what it's indicating. Yeah, it's saying yeah, it might get a bounce today. Okay, and that's what we're looking at right now, and may just remain may just move sideways up till tomorrow the 20th, and then maybe from Monday the 23rd it might begin a possible attempt to bounce. But from this extrapolation, it's saying it's not going to go far. By the thought of March, it may begin to wane. This the strength that may play out from today may begin to flag from Tuesday the 3rd of March. Okay, that's a long time to come. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. Okay, so yeah, this is what's going on. Let's have a look at its price pressure momentums and see what it's indicating, what they're indicating. They will tell us whether the stock is the moving averages are appreciating or depreciating, and by how much. Okay, let's see what we have on its and also an indication as to what may a validation to some extent of what the extrapolation seems to be saying. So here we have an alignment, okay, and the 10-day moving average is likely to align with the 10-day moving average. The algos seems to be aligning on this as well. So the stock is the 10-day moving average is losing around $4.89 every day. Yeah, selling pressure is has increased as well. Selling pressure has increased, and the pace has equally increased as well of late, just as of yesterday. But for now, as of yesterday, as of the close of yesterday, So let's see this. Let's have a look at its 21-day moving average. We want to see a stability. Want to see something. Yeah, something, an indication of some stability that might give us yeah, we have the equally the same thing as well. Okay, nothing here stable as well. On the 21-day moving average is likely to volatility is what it's expressing, which is also what the 3-day moving average is expected to do. Okay, so this moving average is losing $2.98 every day. Okay, let's see what we have on its 40-day moving average. On the four, yeah, here we have some stability. I think in the medium term, there is an indication that we are not. If this is anything to go by, Yes, this the price pressure momentum of its 40-day moving average. If this is anything to go by, then we are looking at the prospects of anything that might be going on not to run deep, not to run deep. You know, yeah. So from what we can see here, all the volatility that's going on right now is not expected to really affect the 40-day moving average. So more of a stability is more stability is expected in the medium term. Some stability is expected in the medium term. Yeah. So to some extent, one might say that one might say maybe that this any volatility that might play out wouldn't be it wouldn't be that high. It wouldn't be that high because we can see here it's not expected to really damage the or rather influence the 40-day moving average. And also because of the fact that